I like a man that's gonna cook, for example. I like a man that's gonna provide for me.
I like someone who's considerate, someone who's thoughtful.
I like something intimate, so like a picnic.
Attraction at first sight is possible, like deep attraction.
I think that your personality is what makes you attractive.
How are you all doing? Welcome back to another street vlog. Yes. So today I'm with my sisters. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
I'm Nasira.
Wow. How about you?
I'm Tiffany.
Wow. So I've got Tiffany and
Nasira.
Nasir. Okay. Can you just bring it my closer a little?
Sure,
All
like
right,
this.
That's cool. So I want to ask you, what are the most attractive qualities in a man?
There's many,
Yeah, in a man.
but there's many.
Yeah, you can,
So,
can say them.
I like a man that's gonna cook, for example. I like a man that's gonna provide for me. He must not want me to spend my own money.
Yeah.
Keep
A
yours for
cake,
change.
yes, I need a caregiver, like somebody that's gonna take care of me. That's what I want in a man.
How about you?
Guys, I'm taken, so shout out to my man. What I want in a man is Dylan Aiden Naidu, guys.
Wow.
So I like someone who's considerate, someone who's thoughtful. Yeah, guys, I'll leave the rest to
To your
follow my
man.
husband's page, and then you will understand.
How important is the sense of humor in a relationship?
Very, because I'm very funny.
Okay.
So you need to be able to take my jokes because I can take yours.
Would you go for an extroverted guy or an introvert?
I think a bit of both. I think in a guy, I have an extroverted person, but someone who also knows not to be that way, like all the time. Someone who's a bit of both, I don't want someone who's always going to be ready to go out, ready to be bubbly. I want someone who can chill as well.
Wow, that's great. Do you believe in love at first sight?
No,
Why not?
because I think that your personality is what makes you attractive.
So you just have to study the personality at first and see
Yes.
the person, how do they...
100%, because you can look good, but you can be a shitty person. So, no.
All right.
Do you?
I do believe in love at first sight. Not maybe love at first sight, but I believe that you don't see someone and not like that. You fall in love by someone's outer appearance first. I feel like you fall deeper in love when you get to know the person and their personality.
I think you're attracted to a good looker.
Yes,
You're
but
full of love.
yes, that's what I'm saying. Not necessarily love, but I do think like attraction at first sight is possible, like deep attraction.
Wow. So you can be deeply attracted to somebody
Yeah.
that you just met like now.
Yeah, you can.
Wow. What's your take on men with a lot of piercing around their body or a lot of tattoos all over from face to toe?
Not all over, right? But I don't mind tattoos and piercings. It also depends on where the piercings is, but not all over. Like, I think some guys look very attractive when they have like a sleeve or something, but not. I don't want your head to toe covered. No,
Would you date somebody from a different cultural background?
100% yes.
Would you date somebody from a different religious background?
Why you have to ask me this one? I'm joking.
Religious, yeah.
I think, to be honest, I don't mind, but I think because of how spiritual I am, there would be a bit of a clash. So I feel like I'm a bit on the fence with that one.
Okay, that's great. What's the perfect age do you think is ideal for girls to get married?
Listen, when you know, you know. When you know. There's no perfect age. You just know.
How do you know?
Listen, how does the man know he wants to marry you?
Okay. How important is confidence in a man?
You're absolutely important. I don't think any girl wants a guy who's not confident. I don't think anyone wants a guy who comes across insecure or You know? So confidence is a must.
Wow. How do you think about men who are emotionally sensitive?
I think that if he is in touch with his emotions, it's okay. But only one of us can be the crybaby. So, yeah.
The men who can actually cry when things go bad. And like,
Showing emotion is never a bad thing.
yeah.
You're human. So, I mean, I'm okay with that. It's just not too much.
Would you go for men who is interested in having pets or animals?
Yeah, I would.
What's your favorite pet?
Mine. A dog, definitely.
Wow. So do you have one at home?
I have several, but not at my home.
All right. I see. What are your ideal date places?
Yeah. Um, I like something intimate. So, like a picnic, a cute dinner. I'm more of like a Signal Hill, City Lights type of vibe. That's my ideal date.
So it really has to be intimate.
Does.
How about you?
I think I like landscapes. I like nice views. So the ideal date for me is a nice lunch at a wine estate or even wine tasting, you know? Yeah.
Do you think it's important for a man to be a good cook?
I do.
You really do.
I do.
I don't. I don't think it's important for him to be able to be a good cook.
So what are the chores that you think a man must assist you with?
You know, I think that it depends on the communication. If I can't cook and my guy can cook, amazing. If he can't change a tire and I can, amazing, you know? So it's all about communication and what we agree on, like where we can meet each other halfway.
Yeah, that's also true. So would you go for a man who is significantly younger than you?
No.
How about you?
No.
Younger, no. Older.
Would you go for somebody who is significantly older than you?
Not significantly, but older I have no issues with.
Okay. So what's the ideal age difference, the maximum?
I don't want to answer that.
How about
No,
you?
no comment. No, I don't have a comment. I don't want to offend anyone, but I think if we saying what's the limit, no?
Yeah. You said you can go for a man who is older than you. Would you date somebody with children?
Yes.
How many children do you understand?
Well, I have a child of my own, so I don't know, like 2, 3.
2, 3. How about you? Can you date a man with children?
I possibly could, but I wouldn't date a man with too many children. Like, I think one max.
Okay. What's your take on men who has got a lot of female friends?
Who has a lot of?
Female friends?
That's that fun, no? Because, I mean, I have a lot of male friends, so I expect you to be understanding, but sometimes I can be territorial.
Okay. Do you like a man who is adventurous or who prefers to have a routine?
Again, a bit of both. The reason why I like a man who's adventurous, but I want someone who's disciplined as well. So with the routine, you don't have to be routine driven all the time, but you need to have a bit of discipline as well.
Wow. What's your take on having a long distance relationship?
It could work.
It could work.
It could
It
work.
could work.
Have you tried it before?
No comment.
No, Kodo. How about you? What's your thought on having a long distance relationship?
It could work. It could work. It does work. Yeah.
How important is financial stability?
I think it's very important. We both can't be like splurgers. One needs to be the disciplined one. And like I said in the beginning, I like a provider, so
How about you?
I think that it depends on where you are in life. If we are both meeting at a very young age, then financial stability isn't necessarily something that you look for immediately. But I think that if we're going to grow together, I think we grow towards financial stability. But if you come with financial stability already, great.
Wow, that's great. So, what's your thoughts on soulmates? Having a soulmate?
I think that there's someone for everyone, so I do believe there's a soulmate. Uh, Listen, if you want to be a fashionista, that's your business, boo. As long as we're both looking good.
I don't mind fashion. I love it for him.